Guys, I think this is a perfect example of when they talk about the devil and is the devil and his wife fighting, or they mean to say devil and God a fight. Oh, I got devil. So I don't know if you heard that, if you have ever heard that before. Comment down below and said me primary days, okay, when I was going to primary school. But the reason why they say that is because look, sky sun a shine, like see the sun, and if you guys can see, the rain is falling. So yeah, that's what's up. But that's what's up, that's what's up, garden and so forth. Anyway,
baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me, and we can run from here, and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
hi, hey guys, welcome, what's up, welcome back to my channel. Whew. It's a rainy day. It is a rainy day. Let me show you. Like the road is wet. It's a babe. Can I go taxi stand with the market back on him back? We are walking here so straight. Eh? Yeah. So rain fall like crazy. But what can we do about that? Because if the hot we complain, and if it rain fall, we complain same way. So yeah, if you're new to the channel though, guys, like, share, subscribe and comment down below. So yeah, it's the starting off. I did start the vlog already, but then I said like I'm doing my ear, I'm gonna restart the vlog. I probably still include that clip somewhere. But it's the starting of my VLOGTOBER series, which is the 10 days to the 25th. So I'm gonna try to upload a vlog every single day starting today until the 25th, which is my birthday. So I'm gonna try so I can fulfill that commitment and you know the content them. So the mask come make you want burst. Hold on there. Mask hook up on the oh. So my ear, no makeup here. That's what rolling this nice thing. Look here upon the view. This right here, this view is nice. The sky and the sun and the dark clouds and the little light. God's creation, eh? Right? Yep. So babe, I can't put in contact here, which is not something that he often does. But I'm gonna carry me today. I want to become a heavy bag. That's the only reason why. So alright. So yeah, but my auntie had for the big old umbrella. Alright guys, I'm reached somewhere where I need to vlog and show them me vlog. I'm tired. Oh yes, one thing I'm forgetting is to, as I said before in my community post, that if you're a Scorpio or celebrating your birthday in the month of October, and because my foot then wet already, my shoes taking water. My shoes I'm taking water, people. Flat boots. I was gonna wear a sneakers, but the sneakers I'm going to wear, I couldn't find it, and I'm not gonna put on my good sneakers. Anyway, back on track. Yeah. So if you did not see that community post, you can go ahead and leave your birthday down below if you are a Scorpio, and if you were born in the month of October. For this birthday shout out, I want to give a belated birthday shout out to Life as Mara. Life as Mara. I'm sorry I'm giving you a wet birthday shout out, but the weather wet. The rain fall. The bag heavy? Eh? The bag heavy? Oh God. No sir. Bears, you know say I've got change from a walk footman to be a car man. Eh? Bears, what you say? For sure? You prefer me left that you buy a car? Nice. Anyways, life as Mara, me keep on a cut out your birthday shout out, boo. But happy belated birthday, and I hope you had a great day, not a wet birthday, even though it's a rainy season. But happy belated birthday, my love, and I hope, you know, despite the odds, you had a wonderful day. So, guys, soon come back, alright? So today, your girl is going to start her wig for her birthday. So that is what I'm going to do right now. And I'm going to install one wig because I'm going to Clarendon as well. So yeah, stay tuned for all of that. Okay? Yeah. Alright guys, so I did the closure already. And I have the rest of this part of the wig to do. But I'm not in a mood, so I'm going to stop. Like, my mannequin is like the worst. Look at her or him. Yeah, so I'm tired though, but yeah, that's what's up. Guys, it's literally night. You can't see me. You ever left on the yard, come on people yard and get locked out outside in the dark? My shoes, remember I tell you the shoes them wet, them still wet. Like literally, I'm in Clarendon, my shoes wet. My mother not there. Been calling my mother for like about almost an hour now, and no answer. So legit, me just there. I wait. Me call somebody we close to her, and film close location, and me get to talk to her. My friend take taxi. She said no, she gonna come. Right? Knowing my mother wait when she said she gonna come soon. 1 hour, me still in my wet shoes stand up out the door. Like, me get locked out. I'm hungry, bro. Ugh. That's the update, honestly. I am pissed. Guys, isn't it so great how we can just have like a bright, shiny day, like what you guys saw previously, and just have something like this night coming down with the moon. Yeah. God and him works, you know. Big up him always, all the time. After waiting, my mother finally come. So, yeah. People, I love come a country because when you come here, you get grapes in abundance. Like, either bag of grapes that my mommy always have here. Like, hit me up if you want a grape. What's a grape? Mega grab right now because I'm hungry, not lie. Yes, and I am inside. So after staying outside for probably about almost 45 minutes waiting, my shoes, they were wet, but my mother come, I'm inside. I'm gonna rub my foot down with some alcohol because I don't want to get sick. You know them time you can't have flu, because when you have flu, them say I live with. Listen, so they can't have flu at them time here. So I'm gonna rub my foot them, and I am in my room that, you know, I mean, nobody sleeps in here. Nobody. And when I come here, I don't even sleep in my room because my mother sleep alone. And another thing, I like to sleep in my mother's room. Listen, in a dark. So if you come all the way with the lamp there, if you come all the way with the lamp there, forget little light. I sleep with my mom because in a fair room she have AC. So I don't know. Cannot have this room with air conditioner and me asleep and a fan. You mad? So yeah, flash now. Flash, but I wouldn't want to flash now. Yeah, so in here dark, but can't see me at all. There's a lamp the light come from, okay? Yep, so today, OOTD, pull my shirt, and I probably see this before. I know probably, you have seen this before. I've worn this like 3 times. And my pink tights, not me here giving OOTD and the bad quality lighting, okay? Sorry. Another reason why I'm like my mother had to, because I can always get one extra bottle, but it works for borrow. When I say borrow, I mean borrow it cat home, like literally thief it. Lady, she upgrade like I have a lot, but every time I come here I see my mom with some different scents, like okay, you popping.
The next day,
People, I'm saying good morning. With my hair looking like this. This is how I woke up, and I'm not ashamed to say I woke up like this. Right, Shrek? Right? Right, Shrek? Right, Lizard? Yeah. I wanna come up one Lizard there right I saw, but him run gone. I guess him shame, mommy. Him shame to see me. Oh my god, what's this on my lip? I'm wash my face, you know. I brush my teeth for man, you know. Some don't know what ya. You drink all purge and my face looks like this. Terrible. What ya? No, sir. But look better. Listen, last night, I sit down and literally, I just pop off the wig off of my head. When I took a wig, mommy was like, so why you take off your ear? No, mommy said, why you take off your head? Look at the curly one burned me. Let me that make the Panama video them. So yeah, that's what's up for today. I'm going to do a downtown house decor all. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that to be one of the videos. This video should have been uploaded from yesterday. No sir. So while editing, I mean I got so distracted in the video with mommy and our Christmas stuff in the middle of fall. Like she don't take down Christmas things. So this your house here, it arrange Christmas right through the entire year, because I don't like she'll change them from them look new. Christmas, same way in the living room. Watch ya. No, mommy needs to stop it. She needs to stop it. Back to the original clip now. Hopefully the internet up here work, because the internet up here don't work good in Clarendon. Like it's awful. Okay, and yeah, so I'm gonna try to get some stuff to have some content to post for you every single day, because you know my birthday is next weekend. So yeah, so this is where I'm gonna end out this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm gonna show you guys the view before I cut this out, but it's always the view for me when I come to Clarendon. Like God, big up God always, all the time. Him creation, no normal, honestly. So guys, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Check out the view.